So I'm gonna do this prank on my grandma, right? She's in the other room. So when I'm at this uncut, cause that's my first joint. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just set up the camera. She not even gonna pay attention. I'm gonna just set up the camera and I'm gonna play a beeping sound on my phone. I'm like beep. All right.
Yeah, I mean, you probably argue about things that couples argue about.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah.
But I had put together a little special dance for her
Oh.
today to propose to her.
Oh, well, that's nice and original. Okay, let's get on with it. Good luck to you. I hope it works. She has not been watching. She's outside the studio, so she doesn't know what you're going to do now. And
Right.
good luck to her. Let's bring her out. A nice hand for Tashara. Oh.
I brought you out here today because I had something really special that I wanted to do for you. You ever do some bullshit like that? I'm fly all the way to Connecticut. I ain't taking no bus. I don't need 2 hours. You come drag your ass right off the stage. Do some dog shit. That's my baby. It ain't your baby. I'm the fucking Johnny too. Bitch, wait, what? You fucking Johnny, I'm fucking Johnny too. Hold up, nigga, you gay?
What's that sound?
Huh?
You hear that?
What?
You hear that?
No. You a special girl to me.
Listen.
Ever since I laid eyes on you, I fell in love with you. You got my daughter, and you're the best thing that ever
What is
happened
that?
to me. I just
I
want
don't
to
know.
where you were. I
It
can't
sound
do
like
this.
something about to blow up. It's something dropping.
I can't. Like, I'm not happy at all.
Sorry, so air coming out of something or
All I
something.
do is argue.
It sounds like something
You
is
put
dropping.
everything over me and your daughter. You get a little bit of money from the plasma center. The
Something
first
dropping.
thing you do is try to buy a Madden game. You don't even get diapers or wipes or anything.
Something is
I'm gonna
dropping.
do whatever I can.
I'ma fuck you up.
For you and my daughter. Change my whole life.
What?
I'ma hunt you, boy.